Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am making lentil soup. This soup, I swear I have it at least once a month and I love eating this with rice. So to get started, I have my pressure cooker and I put in some oil. Let it heat up and then add your onions. I like to add my fresh thyme at this point so that when the onions and the thyme is frying up, you get that fragrance from the thyme and it just makes the dish so much better. Once the onions are translucent, I am adding in my garlic and ginger. Now I'm adding in my grated carrots. The reason why I grate my carrots is so that it cooks a little bit faster in the pressure cooker. And also the reason why I add carrots is to make it a little bit more healthier. I add in some water. So the reason why I'm adding more water rather than oil is just to make it a little bit softer, and the oil actually fries it up. So what I want to do with these is actually steam it a little bit more. And as you may have seen in my other videos, I use more water than I do oil anyways. I just think that it's a healthier option. And now I'm adding in my tomatoes, more water. And you want everything to soften up a little bit and also get that fragrance from the thyme in the carrots, the potatoes, the onions, and such. And as you can see here, now that the veggies are softened up, I am adding in my lentils. And my lentils was actually in a bowl in water soaking overnight. And of course they've been washed, but I like to soak my lentils at least a couple of hours or even overnight, just so that the grains softens up a little bit. And I find that it cooks a little bit faster. One thing that I want to mention with the lentils is that it drinks up a lot of water. So make sure you have enough water before you put on the lid to the pressure cooker. And also it depends how thick you want your lentil soup to be. When in doubt, add in some more water. That's how I see it, because so mine actually turned out a little bit thicker than I wanted it to, but definitely go ahead and add in some more water. Don't forget about your salt. Mix everything up. And now add in your lid. And I find that cooking in a pressure cooker is a lot faster when you're making your lentil soup, but definitely do that in a pot if you like, or even a saucepan. But do remember that it takes a while to cook the lentils, and that is why I soak my lentils overnight. And this is it. This is my recipe to my lentil soup. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you've had this before. Thank you so much for watching.